Hi, we are asked to find the value of x, given that log 2x in base 2 plus log x plus 4 in base 2 is equal to 6. So we are given that log 2x in base 2 plus log x plus 4 in base 2 is equal to 6. Now, since we have the same base here, which is base 2 and base 2, we can apply the addition law of logarithm. So the law states that if I have log m in base a plus log n in base a, this is equal to log m times n, or in base a. So therefore, we apply this law at the left-hand side. So the equation becomes log 2x multiplied by x plus 4, all in base 2, equal to 6. Now, if we expand the bracket, so we have that this becomes log 2x squared plus 8s in base 2 equal to 6. Also, recall that 6 can be expressed as log 2 raised to the power of 6, or in base 2. So therefore, anywhere we have 6, we replace it with this particular expression. So therefore, we have that the equation now becomes log 2x squared plus 8x, all in base 2, is equal to log 2 to the power of 6, all in base 2. Now, since the bases are the same, the equation now becomes 2x squared plus 8x is equal to 2 to the power of 6. And this can further be simplified as 2x squared plus 8x minus 64 equal to 0. Now, at this point, we have a quadratic equation. We can simplify further by dividing through by 2. So the equation now reduces to x squared plus 4x minus 32 equal to 0. Now, we obtain the value of x using the factorization method. So we look out for two integers, that when we add the two integers, we obtain the value of plus 4, and when we multiply them, we obtain the value of negative 32. The two integers are plus 8 and minus 4. So therefore, the equation now becomes x squared plus 8x minus 4x minus 32 equal to 0. Now at this point, we can group terms. So the equation now becomes x, open your bracket, x plus 8 minus 4, open up a bracket, x plus 8 equal to 0. Now we can factorize, and we have that this becomes x minus 4 multiplied by x plus 8 equal to 0. Now recall again that if I have a multiplied by b equal to 0, it is either that a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. So therefore, we have it that x minus 4 is equal to 0, or x plus 8 is equal to 0. So therefore, x is equal to 4, or x is equal to negative 8. So 4 and negative 8 are the values of x. Thank you so much for watching, and please encourage us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Bye, and I will see you in my next video.